Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Why Not Rock Waves, your favorite waving channel in South Africa. Alright, so before I start off with this video, I just wanted to talk to y'all about the brushes, right? So with the brushes, I only got 4 of these babies left. These are the softies. Yeah, I only got 4 of these left, so I only buy according to what sells best. So I'm not that racked up that I'll just have like all the brushes on my price list just laying around. So if you're willing to wait longer, you can order, and I can order, and then once it comes, I deliver it back to you. So back to the video. So everybody's been asking, what do you need to get waves? People are like, they're seeing my videos and they need to know what you need to get waves. Well, I've got videos on that, guys. I can't keep having to explain certain concepts over and over and over. Just go back in my videos and check that out. So let's start with the video. So yeah, since my hair is lengthy now, my brush routine is gonna have to be different, I can't just be using a softie. I must also... I can't just be using the softie. I have to include, all my brushes to give my hair a variety of, the brushes that I use. Different pools, different, different bristles. So let's go. So of course we start with the crown area. Okay guys, so lately I've been using this odorless coconut oil from Food Lovers Market. It's only $50. So the reason why I prefer coconut oil over other moisturizers is that it moisturizes your hair enough but isn't heavy in your hair. So it helps, guys. It's only $50 at Food Lovers Market, so do yourself that favor. So that is my wolfing routine, right? So the reason I use a lot of brushes is because it gives your hair more variety, and obviously like different types of bristles for your brushes give your hair different types of strokes. So it helps when your hair is really lengthy. So yeah, guys, that's just how we do it. This is how we do it. And please hit me up on the socials. On Instagram, it's Why Not Rocket. On Twitter, it's Why Not Rocket. And look, thank you guys for the feedback. It's been major love. Thanks for showing me your progress on the gram. Yo, just keep pushing. It's a journey. We're gonna get there, guys.